Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-350 XLT in Oxford White. With a grey cloth interior and seating for 6, this 4-door pickup has a 6.5-foot box and a 6.2-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can power fold as well as telescope. The driver's seat is manually adjusted and also has manual lumbar. Off to the side there, you have your lighting controls and your dash lights. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and there's grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start the truck for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages, like low fuel level. Give it a second there. There we go. Odometer, trip A, trip B, distance to empty, average fuel consumption, timer, and background again to odometer. Just here are your hazard lights. Off to the side you have your automatic select shifter, and on the end there you have tow haul. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Press it again and off it goes. Off to the side there you have a little storage bin, and below that is your media display screen with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and auxiliary line in. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner. Below that you have your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front defrost and your heated side view mirrors. Below that a little coin holder, as well as your integrated trailer brake controller. Off to the side 4x4 with locking differential and a 12-volt outlet. Below that some storage, as well as a couple of cup holders there that can also sit flush with the dash. In your armrest there's a couple more cup holders, and on the end a clip for added storage. The seat also flips up for a 6th seat, and there's also another clip on the end there for even more storage. Off to the side, auxiliary line in and USB, 12-volt outlet, traction control, and hill descent. Off to the side there is your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and 2 sunglasses holders. 18-inch wheels, black colored door handles, driver's side fuel cap, 6.5-foot box. That black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector and a trailer tow hitch. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle and pull down. You'll notice the inside has plenty of room and also tie downs in all 4 corners. Storage in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, there's a handle on the side of the seat. Simply pull that up and then fold the seat up to enlarge your cargo space. Your cargo space is also lockable. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply take your hand on that handle there and pull up, and the seat will fold back down in its original position. In the center there, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, carpeted mats. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. And up above, hooks and lighting. Chrome bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass, heated and power folding side view mirrors, front tow hooks, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.